See the guild elephant. It's stuck in the rocks. I'm coming as fast as I can. Fuck it, dude. It's worth it. No, I see it. It's still here. it's just running on the side of the mountain. I don't even know if it's doing anything. It's just running on the side of the mountain. Dude, there's two of them? I only see one. Where's the second?
I don't even know where they're going.
I see one of them. I don't see a second one.
Oh, I see it. I see it. Oh my god. Fucking yeah.
Oh. Fuck the lag. Oh my god, please don't die. Yeah, the slideshow gameplay, dude. Holy shit. It's actually going down. This is insane. Oh no, I need to get out of here. No! Please don't die. You just have to keep eating the ass. We've learned. You heard it here, folks. Oh no. No. Why does it keep turning towards me? God damn it. Oh god. Oh god. Dear god. I'm gonna be so happy to have FPS after this.
Are you able to kill that giant walking thing?
No, you're not.
He's dead?
Wait, is he dead?
He's dead!
He died?